Hello, welcome. Can you work out this integer question? You can do it and let us work out together step by step. The question says 70 plus negative 32 plus 18. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to combine this sign together, and I can combine the signs by multiplying them. We know that negative multiplied by negative with a positive, and positive multiplied by positive, we got positive, and negative multiplied by positive, we got negative, and positive multiplied by negative, also we got negative. So here it's going to be 70. When you take positive multiplied by negative, we are going to get negative minus 32 plus 18. Since negative and positive has the same priority, I'm going to take 70, take away 32. We got 38. Then we are going to add by 18. 38 plus 18. This gives us 56. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on integers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.